Hi everyone, my name is João Leite and welcome back to another Data in the Wild episode hosted by Data Meaning. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel below and click the bell to turn on notifications to be the first to know every time we upload a new video. Today we are going to be talking about themes in Power BI. Here I have an example report where I have a chart, a table, and also a map. Now, it is using the default colors for Microsoft Power BI. If I want to change the colors here, I can come here under View, and in the first part I can see the default themes that Power BI has. So for example, if I click on here, all of my color scheme will change to this theme. If I want to get extra themes, or if my company already has a color pattern, I can come here to Browse and search my computer. If I don't have a file, I can come here to Theme Gallery, and inside the community, I can download the theme I want. So in this example, let's get this one. Then I scroll down here until I find the JSON file. I download this, go back to Power BI, and then go to Browse. If I click here and press open, the theme will be imported. Now let's say I want to customize this further. I can come here, clicking customize current theme and change the settings inside here. Then I can change the name, the text, visuals, page and filter pane options. All of them also have some sub options that I can use, and then when I click apply, it will be configuring the theme here again. Now let's say I change this color here to something else, like this. I click apply, the color here changed, and now I want to save this as a new theme or override the one I have. I can come here, click in save current theme, click on the theme I already have, and then override it. If I still want to learn more about Microsoft Teams, I can come here in how to create a theme, and Microsoft will open the documentation on Teams. This is a very long explanation here, so it shows how to use Teams, how to create, where to download and everything else. So if you have any questions, always resort to the documentation. Thank you for watching and have a great day. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to know when future videos are posted. Thank you for watching.